This is spectacular. This aircraft is here courtesy of the German Air Force, the Luftwaffe, and we're going to talk more about this wonderful and very historic aircraft. Watch it now as it departs from the left.
Through continuous upgrades to meet the demands of modern warfare, the aircraft you see today is a prime example of this evolution, incorporating cutting-edge technology such as advanced handling systems and sophisticated weapons. The German Air Force currently operates 82 Tornado aircraft and will phase them out by 2030. The Tornado will be replaced by the F-35A to be stationed with the Tactical Air Wing 33 in Büchel, Germany. Now, ladies and gentlemen, from the right, this is the beautiful German Air Force Tornado.
Are swept back. This is one of the standout features of the Tornado is its variable sweep wing design. This allows the wings to sweep back and forth, optimizing the aircraft for various speeds and flight conditions. At low speeds, the wings extend forward or outward for maximum lift and stability, making takeoff and landing a breeze. At high speeds, the wings sweep back to reduce drag, enabling the Tornado to reach a top speed of Mach 1.4, 1.4 times the speed of sound, which is just over 1,000 miles per hour. Now, you heard those beautiful engines. Let's talk power. Each of these engines deliver 16,000 pounds of thrust. The inclusion of thrust reversers is a unique feature on a fighter jet to bring the aircraft to a stop on short runways if required. Ladies and gentlemen, you see the smoke, the throttles are up. Here are those powerful engines from the left.
And they get ready to retire that plane.
As the aircraft turns around high and to the right, the Tornado's versatility is further enhanced by sophisticated avionics and weaponry systems. It's equipped with advanced radar and targeting systems, allowing it to operate effectively in all weather conditions, day or night. A standalone feature of the aircraft is the terrain-following radar, enabling the jet to fly in the low-level environment in adverse weather conditions down to 200 feet. The Tornado can carry a wide array of weapons from precision-guided bombs, standoff and nuclear weapons to anti-radiation missiles designed to take out enemy radar installations. Now, ladies and gentlemen, here it comes from the right.
You'll take my life, but I'll take it.
Advanced technology. It's pilots who fly this aircraft. The German Air Force pilots undergo rigorous training to master this complex machine. Their training includes everything from navigation and weapon systems to aerial combat tactics at medium and low altitudes, ensuring they're ready for any mission related to air and ground roles, such as nuclear operations, air interdiction, close air support, suppression of enemy air defenses, and low altitude. The air crew performing the display today is Pilot Lieutenant Colonel Daniel Lip, and his weapons system officer in the backseat, Lieutenant Colonel Sebastian Forsted, call sign Symbol, from the Tactical Air Wing 33 in Büchel, Germany. The crew are instructors on the weapons system Tornado for more than 9 years and accumulated 4,000 hours in several combat deployments during Operation Counterdash in Iraq and Syria. As the crew turns the aircraft around high and to your left, the operational scenarios, the Tornado has proven its worth time and time again. It's been deployed in numerous conflicts and peacekeeping missions around the world, from the
And what you see here from the left, ladies and gentlemen, is a demonstration of the slow flight capabilities of this aircraft. The wings are swept forward 25 degrees. The flaps are down, the gear is up, and watch now as the pilot will complete a combat acceleration as he cleans up and turns it into a steep climb.
To hear some of the raw power from those beautiful engines as you watch the aircraft roll to the left, and he'll complete a 270-degree turn back to the right. Now watch the aircraft as he comes by for one of his final passes here. If you don't have that perfect picture yet, now's your opportunity. The sun is perfect. It's behind you as you face the runway, and here comes the German Air Force Tornado from the right to the left. It's a very unique feature in a fighter to have a thrust reverser, but that enables this aircraft to operate from very austere airfields around the world. Watch here from the right. This is the German Air Force Tornado, full stop landing with thrust reversers. Well, ladies and gentlemen, how about another huge round of applause for our NATO partners, the German Air Force, in the Tornado demonstration. Man, we are so excited that they got to stay. I can't tell you how many strings got pulled by the leadership here at Joint Base Elmendorf-Richardson to make that happen. But that just demonstrates the amazing international partnership that we enjoy here in the United States with so many strategic partners that they were willing to stay.